All right, you're welcome to AdBrowns Academy. This is our YouTube channel, and I want to use this moment to thank you so much for following us. In this video, I want to show you how to design something like this in CorelDRAW. Okay, this is like a news flyer design. One of my students saw this and he wants to know how to come up with something like this. He is a beginner, so as a beginner, I like it so much when they are showing interest in things they want to do. So the idea here is to get the background like this faded on the picture, and also how to give colors to different texts in the same sentence. So that is what we are going to look at today. So once we are going to do the same thing, I would like us to first of all pick some two colors here. That is the blue you are seeing at the bottom here, and then the yellow. Even though we have our yellow here, but I would like us to pick the same color. Now click on these two here. It is called color eyedropper. Then pick the color here. The same process, pick the blue color here. So we have these two colors down. I will assume this design is four square. So I'll pick on my rectangle tool, then I'll come here and create a space like this and give it size of 8 by 8 inches. Okay, then press the enter key and then press P to have this at the center of your page. Now, we are going to pick this picture from here. So what I will do is I am going to crop the picture. So I'm going to copy this by Ctrl C, then I'll paste it by Ctrl V, then I'll put it aside like this. Then I'll go here and pick my crop tool. That is the third tool you are seeing here. Pick my crop tool, then I'll crop the picture like this. Perfect. You see, then I'll crop it. Now, once I crop it, I am going to power clip this picture into this frame here. Okay, so let's power clip the picture into the frame. There are two ways to do this. You can go to tools on the menu bar. There are two ways to power clip a picture into a frame. Go to object on the menu bar, move to power clip, then click on place inside frame, then click on the frame, and the picture will come into the frame. However, as an experienced graphic designer, let me show you the other way to do this. Right click on the picture and drag it onto the frame, release your finger and choose power clip inside. Now, to edit it power clip inside, click on edit here, or you can as well double click on it, it will open for you. Then move the picture to the top here like this. Then we are going to use the transparency tool. Click on it, then click and drag it on the picture, just to vanish the ending point of the picture like this. Then click on finish. Now you're going to fill this whole shape here with the blue color we pick. So click on blue here. So that is it. Okay. Now it's because we crop the picture from here, we don't have the full picture. That is why our own the down here is not showing like the way it's showing here, but that is fine. If like we have the full picture, we could have this easy. Now let's first of all type the word Pentecost News. Okay, so click on your text tool and come here and type the word Pentecost. Pentecost. Just type Pentecost for now. Okay. Type Pentecost. Okay. Very good. Click on your pick tool and give this Pentecost to just type a white color. Now let's pick a font that is similar to what they have here. Come here. I like using a font called Nexa. Nexa is a very nice font for things like this. So I'll click on Nexa, the bold one. If you don't have it, just go to your Google and download Nexa font. If you are my student, I'm sure you have all these fonts already. So just go and then pick it. Okay. Now I would like to pick the border one. So come here and pick the Nexa Heavy. That's the border one. Now we are going to copy this text like this, Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. And I'm going to hold the Ctrl key and move it to the right side like this. What the Ctrl key does is that when you are moving the text, it doesn't move to the top or the down. But if you don't hold the Ctrl key, it moves anyhow. It can be like this. Obviously, it can be like this. But when you hold the Ctrl key, it moves in line like this. The same way, if you're bringing it down, you hold the control key, it moves straight. It doesn't move to the right or the left unless you forcibly move it. All right. Okay, so now we are going to edit these pentacles to the word news. So what do? Click on the text tool. It will open the text for you. Press Ctrl A to select all the text, then type news. When you finish typing news, click on your pick tool like this. Then you are going to click on the rectangle tool and draw a shape like this beneath the word news. Something like this. Then give it the yellow color we picked like this. There's a black outline around it. Come here and take it off. Click on here on this arrow here and choose none. Then click on the pick tool. Now you are going to put this yellow on the word news like this. The text is behind the yellow. So what do? You are going to come down some more, click on the text, and then go to object on the menu bar, go to order, then come and click on the forward ones like this. Now put the yellow back here like this. There's a shortcut key for doing that. The shortcut key is Shift plus page up key. So Shift plus page up key, the text will come to the front. Okay. Now move the yellow at the top like this. You're going to give this news here the same blue color we picked. So click on it. That is it. So click on the yellow and close it up like this small. Close it up like this small. And close it up like this small. Now make sure the yellow is a bit closer to the word pentacles like this. Good. Now select all the word pentacles and the word news. Make them smaller a bit like this. Perfect. Click on them again like this and then do it like this. Perfect. That is how you get the slide mode of the whole thing like this. Perfect. That is nice. Now let's pick our text tool again and then type the word, the news you are seeing. So pastor, comma, wife give seed money to 11 women to start business. This is a good news. So we are going to click on the pick tool. Because we are doing the same thing, let's first of all change this color to white like this because we have the white here already. Now come here and pick the same font that called Nexa. This time around, let's pick the Nexa bold like this. Now double click on the text and then put the cursor at the end of the word seed. Press the enter key. Then you put the cursor at the end of the word to and press the enter key like this. Now click on the pick tool and enlarge it like this. Perfect. If the space between them is too wide, click on the shape tool and close it up like this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now click on the text tool to open the text. Select the word give seed like this and pick the yellow here. Select the word money like this and pick the yellow here. Select the word start business like this and pick the yellow here. So we have given the colors to the text in the news like this. Okay. Now at the bottom here, the social media icons, just put them down here like this. So let's say we have our social media icon. Let's first of all create the outline there. So pick the rectangle tool and then create that space like this. Then give it white color. Come here and take off the black outline around it. If you're not sure with the color they use, just come and pick the tool here and then pick the color they use here. If you're not sure it's in the center, press P to have at the center of your design. Then press the Ctrl key and hold it and bring it down like this. Then pick the color you pick. That is it. That's the color that looks like what I have here. We are going to copy and paste their social media handles. We can put our own there. If you have your own, you can just put it there like that. Bring all the social media icons. You can go and download them and then bring all of them here like this. So let's put this one at the center so that it's going to look the same because we picked the color over there. Beautiful. Then we pick our text tool. We come down here like this. We type the date of the news, 17th May, 2024. Click on your pick tool and make it smaller like this. So bring it down like this. Then pick the same color you pick for the background there. That is it. Let's pick the similar font we use, Nexabold, like this. That is how to design something like this. So now if you want to save this because you have finished designing it, if you want to save it as a design or as an image outside the software, let me first teach you how to save this as a project file, so that in case you want to make some change tomorrow, you can just come here and make that change. Okay, now click on File on the menu bar, click on Save, and then give it a name. Let's say I'll give it a name, Paint News. Okay, Paint News. Then choose where the file is going to be saved. I would like to save my own at where it is now. Then I'll click on Save. Now this design has been saved as a project file. Now let's save this design as a complete work that you want to save the design outside the software. Click on File on the menu bar, then click on Export. The shortcut key is Ctrl+E. Click on it. The file name is there already because of the project job that we have saved. Now the save as type should be JPEG bitmap. Okay, so if your own is not a JPEG bitmap, click here and select JPEG bitmap. Then click on Export. Then click on OK. Yours should be exported into your document folder or your desktop, depending on where you choose to export the file to. Alright, if today is your first time coming across our video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to leave a comment for me. I'll see you in our next video.